What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome back to your daily update on Ethereum. The day after, we could call this analysis today. Obviously, yesterday we had the merge going on. The merge has been finalized, and even though I always expected a rally after the merge, I was proven to be wrong. We dropped down by 10%. As you can see, had a bearish breakout out of 1570 and this very strong trend line. This is the main, I mean, technically this is the main thing, right? We had this huge bearish breakout. All right, so if you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. Basically what we'll be doing in these videos is we're going to be talking about Ethereum news and some of the price, what happened, what's going to happen next, in my opinion at least. There's not a lot of news right now. I mean, the great news obviously is that the merge has finalized. The merge has completely happened. Ethereum is now proof of stake. Ethereum is getting deflationary. That means that less and less Ethereum is in the supply over time. And apart from that, that's great news. The reason why we dropped, though, it's almost impossible always to accurately define why we dropped. But usually, and I wanted to tell you about that, usually what happens in the market is a phenomenon called buy the rumor, sell the news. All right, so if there's a rumor, for example, we also saw that with Matic. Matic had a huge announcement. That was the rumor, it was an announcement, and it continued to go up. Then they actually released the product and it dropped down. That's what happens a lot. There's psychology behind that, but there's no reason to really dive into that psychology. But that is what is, excuse me, I'm in another tab. That is, I think, what happened with Ethereum, even though I think the merge long term is very bullish. I think the merge is the one thing, together with sharding, which will probably be open beginning of next year. Together with that, I think those are the main two things that can actually drive Ethereum above Bitcoin over time. Over quite some time. All right, it's not going to happen soon, but I do think that in the future it's a real possibility and a real risk for Bitcoin. So if we take a look at Ethereum for now, let's dive into the technical analysis part. You can see that we for the first time in quite some time, first time in September, we actually dropped down below 1500. Next support level obviously is here around 1400 and 1420. I think we're dropping down there. We might find some more support here at 1450. But if you just take a look at all the technicals, I mean, we have this resistance level at 1500 up until 1520. If for some reason we get above that, we have 1560. There's a lot of resistance above us. So I think we're going to find some more support, but I don't even think we're going to break above 1520. I think we're going to find resistance there and drop down towards 1400. And 1400 I think is going to hold. All right, I think that's going to hold for some time. There's even a chance that we will get another sort of an uptrend from 1400. Even though I think right now the market circumstances are too bearish. So as of right now, I'd say that after this consolidation, we will drop down to 1350. And we will start trending down towards this 1300 to 1250 level. At this point of time, that's just like in the next week and a half, that's just the most realistic scenario. The market circumstances are bearish. Next week, we'll have some big news. All right, we'll have an interest rate decision from the United States or from the Federal Reserve again. That's going to make the market move, but up until that time, we're probably going to be bearish. All right, we might even get some more drops due to as I said, the phenomenon of buy the rumor, sell the news. That's possible, but this is just the most likely scenario. It could also be that we hold 1400 up until the interest rate decision. But you should just know that I think it's more likely that we'll see a little bit more of a drop. So yeah, a bearish breakout out of 1400 would be the main thing after that, right? If we break down below 1400, we're dropping down to 1300 and 1250. If we actually manage to really stay above this level and even get some bullish moves, then we might actually hold 1400, but for now that's not my analysis. I am updating these Ethereum analysis daily though, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe and follow that. But for now, it's my analysis. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today and bye.